After many months of waiting, I finally managed to buy the UGREEN GaN Ultra-Slim Fast Charger. It is nicely packaged in a small box. As you can see from the box, the charger comes with foldable US pins and both EU and UK plugs. It is super handy for traveling to most countries. The package includes user instructions and a charging guide that explains the different outputs from each port. The charger is nicely packaged and even comes with a soft pouch. It is well built and feels high quality. The charger is slightly smaller than a credit card. The charger has two Type-C ports and one Type-A port. You can refer to the charging guide for the output details. You can easily click on the EU or UK plug by folding the pins, and it stays secure and steady. Detaching it is just as easy. The soft pouch does a good job of protecting the charger, but I'm not sure if keeping the charger and plugs together may cause scratches. With this charger, I no longer have to carry phone charger, bulky laptop charger, and any other chargers. One super slim charger is good enough.